What's up guys? So in today's video, I have really bad lighting, so don't mind me, but in today's video I'm going to be eating these giant apple snails, as you guys can see right here, and I'm also eating mussels. So anyways, let's get right into this video and dig in. Okay, so first I have my green sass sauce. I didn't really make a lot because usually, but anyways, let's just get into this. So first I'm going to start off with this giant snail. It's super big. Alright, so pretty much I'm just gonna break it open. And I just made this right now. Oh, it's still really hot. Ooh, it's like steamy inside. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's so hot. So usually you don't want to eat the inside because the inside is not even that good. So now we're going to dip it in and get our first bite because I'm so hungry. Oh my gosh, the shell is still on there. Okay, so now we're going to have our first bite. It's so good, guys. And I'm also eating mussels. Alright, so I didn't show my food, so I'll have like a picture right there of how my food looks like. This is really good, guys. Okay, so now I'm just getting a snail and I'm trying to take it out. Usually you don't want to eat the inside because the inside is nasty. Okay, I'm on to my next snail. And my parents, they got these snails from an Asian market in Argyle. If you guys are from Chicago, you probably know where that is. I almost cut my mouth on that. And guys, when I was like cooking this, the snail smelled so bad. I don't know why, but it smelled super bad. But it tastes good though. Look at this giant one. Oh, this one has a lot of water. Oh my gosh, guys. I think this one, oh my gosh, I actually got this one whole. Oh, that looks nasty. Okay. Alright. So pretty much this is how it looks whole. But you don't eat like the bottom part because that's like all their stuff. That looks gross. That's just all their yuckness that you don't want to eat. You only eat the top part. eating a mussel. It's so delicious, guys, with this Sass ASMR sauce. So I'm trying to get this one out. And oh, I got it out. Oh, this one looks so weird. It's like so black. Okay, so I'm gonna like peel that stuff off because I don't think you're supposed to eat it. I never used to eat seafood that much until I like started like watching YouTube videos of it. Ooh. And I feel like this year I started doing ASMR videos. The lime and the cilantro are so good. I'm starting off with the next snail. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this looks so weird. I'm not eating that. Oh. All this looks like, I don't know, when I was younger I feel like I did like snails, but now that I'm eating it now, it's just like, it's not really all that. It wasn't before, but now it's just like, okay. They have like, I don't know guys. Let me show you guys up close so you guys can see what I mean why I don't want to eat it. Are you seeing that? Like, what is that? Oh! Oh! So pretty much, guys, this is the up close, and as you can see, like the snail right there, that did not look cooked. And then right there, it didn't look cooked. So you can pretty much see like the parts I did not eat. And yeah, pretty much that is it for this ASMR. No more snail videos.